Hello, this is the Nissan 300 ZX 1987. We want to replace now the hydraulic holders for the trunk. You can see that we put a stick to hold it, and we're going to use key number 12 to open this bolt. You can use a lubricant like a WD-40 or similar. Try to remove it. We are going to the other side, doing the same. Opening with key number 12. To the new part. To replace also this one, the old one, with the new one. Installing the new part just by pushing it like that, and then we can turn it over. As you can see, now we are going to do the same in the other side. Test what we've done. Open the trunk. Perfect. The last video on the beauty. Let's try it. Perfect.